So, how do we find out a material's secret electrical properties? Well, there's a really powerful technique for that.
Yeah, every material has this kind of hidden electrical life. The big question is, how do we actually measure it?
It's called electrical impedance spectroscopy, or EIS. It's all about how a material resists current at different frequencies.
So, resistance is like a simple dam, right? But impedance is more like a smart filter that changes.
Okay, so why bother with EIS? Well, it's great for studying interfaces, it's pretty cheap, and incredibly sensitive.
All right, let's get into how it's actually done. And trust me, every little step needs to be precise.
The core setup, you've got a signal generator, an oscilloscope, and the main analyzer connected to some probes.
But hold on. First, you have to compensate the instrument. If you don't, your data is basically useless. It's a two-step process: open compensation, then short. This whole thing just gets rid of any leftover charge. You gotta be careful, though. EIS is a really sensitive technique, so how you handle the sample matters a lot. So you clean your probes, prep the sample, carefully place the electrodes, and then you're ready to scan. Now here's a big gotcha: temperature. If the room's too warm, it can totally mess up your results.
Once the scan is done, you get this unique graph. And this is where the magic really happens. You've got impedance on the y-axis and frequency on the x. This curve is like the material's unique fingerprint.
And what's really cool is how different frequencies tell you about different parts, from the surface to the core.
Finally, all that raw data gets exported. Usually, you'll pop it into software like Origin for analysis.
So what's this for in the real world? Think checking food freshness, or even developing way better batteries.
Basically, EIS turns invisible electrical stuff into a story we can actually see, read, and use to innovate.
It's such a powerful tool for revealing the unseen. Makes you wonder, what secrets are your everyday materials hiding?